Hi friends, Magic Maths by OPM at MalviyaOP welcomes you. Here, let's take the father's salary BS. Right? Now, the money left with Ram should be equal to the difference of money received by Ram and the money given by Ram to his sister. So we can write money left with Ram should be equal to money received less money given to sister, right? So what money Ram is left with is, this money is rupees 630. 630 rupees Ram is left with, and money received is 30% salary of his father. So 30% means 30 over 100, and father's salary we have taken as S, so we write here S. Minus money given to sister. What money he has given to sister? 30%, that is 30 over 100 of money received by Ram. And money received by Ram is this 30 over 100 multiplied by S, right? So we can now take out 30 over 100, which is 30 over 100 S, which is common in the both brackets. So we take it out. So we'll get 30S over 100, and within the bracket we'll get 1 here minus this 30 over 100. Now this 0 cancel out with this 0, this 0 cancel out with this 0. So we are getting 3S over 10, and here we'll get 10 as LCM. So 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3. Alright, so this becomes 3 over S, 3 multiplied by S over 10, and multiplied by 10 minus 3, that is 7 over 10. From this we can calculate father's salary S. So S will be 630 rupees multiplied by 10 into 10 and divided by 3 into 7 is 21. So what we get? 21 one time, and this will be 630 is divided by 21. Times. So what we get? 30 into 10 into 10. So this becomes 3000. Hence, the salary of Ram's father is 3,000. And that's our answer. So friend, a difficult problem has been solved quite easily by following a logic-based approach. That is, the money received minus money given out is the money left with Ram. So I hope you have liked this video. Please hit the like button and share this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.